Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to explore versatile model verb can and how it can be used in different contexts to enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive right in. The model verb can is incredibly useful in English. It can express ability, permissions, possibility, and make requests or offers. Let's look at some of the different ways we can use can along with the examples for each context. Number 1. Can do. It is used to express ability or willingness to perform a task. For example, I can do this on my own. She can do it if she tries hard enough. Can you do me a favor? Number 2. Can have. It is used to express permission or possibility of possessing or experience something. You can have some of my dessert. They can have a meeting room if they book in advance. Can I have a word with you? Can go. Can go is used to express ability or permission to go somewhere. For example, we can go to the park after lunch. You can go now. Your shift is over. Can I go to the restroom? Can see. Can see is used to express the ability to perceive visually or understand something. For example, I can see the mountains from my window. She can see why you might be upset. Can you see the bird in the tree? Can take. Can take is used to express the ability or permission to take something. For example, you can take my car today. She can take the lead on this project. Can I take this book home? Can make. Can make is used to express the ability or permission to create or cause something. For example, she can make a delicious cake. We can make arrangements for your stay. Can you make a copy of this document? Next is can help. Can help is used to express the ability or offer to assist someone. For example, I can help you with your homework. They can help if you need support. Can you help me to find my keys? Can get. Can get is used to express the ability or permission to obtain or receive something. For example, you can get a discount with this coupon. She can get a taxi from here. Can I get you anything else? Can work. Can work is used to express the ability or possibility of functioning or being effective. For example, this solution can work if we implement it correctly. You can work from home today. Can this method work for our project? Can come. Can come is used to express the ability or permission to come to a place or event. It can be used as you can come to the party if you want. They can come over after dinner. Can you come to meeting tomorrow? Can try. Can try is used to express the ability or suggestions to attempt something. For example, you can try restarting your computer. We can try a different approach. Can you try to finish this by tomorrow? Can feel. Can feel is used to express the ability to experience emotions or physical sensations. For example, I can feel the warmth of the sun. She can feel nervous before exams. Can you feel the difference? Can understand. Can understand is used to express the ability to comprehend something. For example, he can understand complex theories. You can understand why she is upset. Can you understand this explanation? Can explain. Can explain is used to express the ability to clarify or describe something. For example, she can explain the process to you. I can explain why this happened. Can you explain this concept to me? Next, can learn. Can learn is used to express the ability to acquire knowledge or skills. For example, you can learn a lot from this book. He can learn quickly. Can I learn how to code online? Now let's see some of these uses in the context. Making offers and requests. Can you help me with this? Sure, I can do that. Can I have another slice of cake? Of course, you can have as much as you want. Giving permissions. Can I go out tonight? Yes, you can go, but be back by 10 p.m. Describing abilities. Can you see the stars? Yes, I can see them clearly. Offering assistance. This project is overwhelming. I can help you with it. Conclusion. By using these phrases with can, you can express a wide range of meanings and nuances, enhancing your communication skills in various contexts. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time. Thank you.